Hi guys, I came home from work today and Mary told me I had a Birchbox waiting for me. I have no idea what's in it. We are opening it together. I didn't peek ahead of time. See, Birchbox. I'll have a description of what Birchbox is below if you would like to try it, but I'll recap briefly as I struggle to open this box. It is a monthly box for $10 a month. They send you 5 deluxe samples of hair care, skin care, cosmetics, that sort of thing. And they send them in these most adorable little boxes. So this is the one. I'm assuming this is the April Birchbox. Sometimes I get them early and sometimes I get them late. But I love the little box. It's a very durable little box. Let's see what's in here. Feed your mind, body, and soul. Ooh! First thing in this box, there's some big things in this box. This is a sample of Schmidt's Lavender and Sage Natural Deodorant. Are they trying to tell me something? I don't know. But it actually smells really nice. I can smell it right through the protective cover. And that's like a full size. 2.65 ounces. All right. Oh. Orib. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce that. I got some texturizing spray from these guys. Basically, it was a dry shampoo, really. Best stuff I ever got. And this is a hair plumping mousse. Being I cut my hair very short, it needs all the plumping it can get. So I'm eager to try this. Hello, Pumpy. How are you? Shall I put some mousse in your hair? You would not like that. This is my very, very old cat. And the next thing I have is the Adesi New York Kupuwaku Butter Lip Balm. Little thing like that. I shall open that up. Okay. This looks like it's one of those balms that has just a hint of color to it. Let's see if there's any color shows up on my hand. No color is showing up on my hand at all when I do this. Nothing. So I assume this is just a balm. Feels nice, at least on my arm. Then we have the Wilma Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. I'm going to have to drop them a line and find out the source of the collagen. It has water, propylene glycol, glycerin, corn gluten, amino acids, hydrolyzed collagen. That is usually either aquatic or that is marine or bovine. Rosa rugosa flower extract, hyaluronic acid, and a few other things in there. So there's some eye patches. And then the last sample is Kula Dawn Patrol, primer. I definitely could use some primer. These items are deluxe sample size, except for the deodorant, which is full size. And the price, the Butter Lip Balm full size would be $24. The Kula Makeup Primer full size would be $42. The Orib Hair Plumping Mousse full size would be $39. Schmidt's Natural full size $8.99. I'm assuming this is a full size. And the Hydrating Eye Pads full size would be $18. I'm not sure. I assume full size would be a pack of at least several of these. I definitely got my $10 back that I pay per month for this. Plus, I love these little boxes. They're really cool. You can sort of use them to wrap a gift, something like that. They're really durable. So, count me a happy Birchbox customer. And that is the, I think, April Birchbox. I'll see you next time.